How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to turn on professional mode on Facebook, which helps you to see insights and many more things, what you're simply gonna do is, first of all, open the app on your device. Now after you've opened it, go to your profile by clicking on the icon which is right over here. Now, it has taken you to your profile. Now, in order to turn it on, what you're going to do is, over here, you can see the three dot which is right beside the edit profile. Click on it. Then, you'll be presented with various options over here. Then, in the second last option, you can see the option which says turn on professional mode. Click on it. Now, it says that due to professional mode, you can get paid for your content, see about insights, grow your audiences, and get discovered with tagging. So if you want to turn it on, just click on turn on. Then you can do next for all the options given over here. Then you can also select your default audience over here, public, friends, or custom. Then go to next, confirm. And then you can also select the frame for your profile picture as well, or you can skip it. After that, you've finished. Now you have turned your Facebook into professional mode. So this is how you can turn your Facebook into professional mode. Hope you like it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching it up to the Thank you for watching it until the end. Hope you like it. See you in the next video.